Hi, you wonderful people. It's Debbie. Welcome back to the kitchen with me, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support of this channel. I truly appreciate it, and I hope that when you like my recipes, or you subscribe, like, comment, and share to help me to grow. So now it's Sunday, and I'm gonna be making this original recipe of mine, which is jerk fried chicken with a homemade barbecue pineapple sauce. Now, normally I like for this chicken to be marinated overnight, but unfortunately this weekend, or for the last few days, Florida was overwhelmed with pollen, and for the first time in my life, I suffered from allergy symptoms. It was awful. Anyway, last night I was like, nah, not doing it. So today I only have the most 3 hours to get this chicken marinated. Thank goodness there's no school until Tuesday, so JD's not going to school tomorrow. So if dinner is a little bit later than normal today, it's understandable and it's okay. So I have no more than 2.5, 3 hours for this chicken to marinate. So I'm going to recommend, if you're making this recipe, the shortest time to marinate this chicken is 3 hours. But I recommend you doing it overnight if possible. So give me just a second. We're going to get started. I'm going to show you everything, how we're going to get this chicken marinated, okay? Okay guys, so we're back. So first let me show you. Let me get these dry seasonings out the way. I have on this plate here. Let me see. This is garlic powder. This is onion powder. This is paprika. This is my sazon. This is black pepper. This is a 5-spice blend. If you're interested in knowing what it is, I will give you comment and I'll let you know what it is. But when you're making jerk or brown stew chicken, this is amazing. I create this my own actually. And then this, I believe, is, let me see what's, oh, Creole seasoning. So now here in this bowl I have the chicken. I have some legs and 2 thighs. I'm gonna say this is about 3.5 pounds of chicken. I've already washed in lemon juice, trim excess fat and all of that. How I'm gonna get started is this 5-spice blend. I'm sorry, this dry seasoning. I'm gonna mix them together. Oh, I forgot to put on some gloves. And let me put them here. Just cover the chicken. Some of this dry seasoning, the same seasonings I'm gonna add to the flour later also. And let me get in here. And I already have excuse me. Already have to sneeze. Okay. Alright, perfect. Now let me wash my hands and get right back. Now I have store-bought jerk seasoning. It says spicy, but Jade, oh my God, she's always complaining that it's not spicy enough. And so because she does that, I have a scotch bonnet pepper here. I'm gonna put a few slices in there with the seeds. I'm such a happy girl when I have fresh scotch bonnet in my kitchen. My son is able to find it closer to where he lives at. So last week he brought me some. And then here I have a bit of pimento. I have 3-star anise, and I have a bunch of fresh thyme. This also is if you saw my video on storing your fresh ginger. So if you remember the bit that I put in the cube rather than the juice, this is one of those cubes. It's still frozen. Put it in here. I told you not the best weekend for me, so it's still frozen. Now here I have my homemade coconut milk. I make sure it was rich. I get most of the top off. And to this I'm gonna add 1 egg. Beat this up. You can always use whole milk. You can use ooh, Debbie. You can use what's that? Buttermilk. If that's what you use to fry your chicken, that's just as fine. But it's a Jamaican recipe, so I'm gonna use as much of the island ingredients as I possibly can. I'm gonna pour this over here. And I'm supposed to get my hand in here. I'm gonna toss this really good. And I hope you can see that. Okay. So here we go. Now this is gonna marinate. Like I said, I can only allow this 2.5 to 3 hours today. But if you can more time, I recommend that. So guys, I'm gonna wrap this up and I'm gonna refrigerate it, and I'll see you back in 2.5 hours or so. Thank you so much for watching. Hey people, welcome back. So this was my chicken, the marinated chicken. I actually gave it a little over 3 hours. I decided not to rush myself, take my time. And this is my seasoned flour. And the flour has been seasoned with salt, pepper, a little of the sazon, allspice, and quite a bit of the 5-spice seasoning, which has nutmeg, pimento, cinnamon, what do you call it again? Fresh ginger is what's in that mix. And again, it has salt, black pepper. I just lose my train of thought. I don't know what happened. Salt, black pepper, sazon, garlic powder, and the 5-spice mixed blend. And my oil is over there heating. I have 3 cups of oil, and I don't have a lot of coconut oil. I would have liked to use coconut oil. Instead, I'm using canola. But for flavoring, I did add a 1/2 cup of the coconut oil. So let's get to frying up this chicken. I really got to work on getting do the paper bag thing when I'm frying chicken, because I tell you, I hate this sticky stuff on my fingers, but I always forget. Do they even make those paper bags anymore? Any day too? Where can I find them? Make my life so much easier. I say the time is done. I don't want my chicken burning and not cooking, so I'm putting it on medium high. I did get the oil pretty hot first though. Okay, now let me go wash my hands. I've already started working on the stuff to make the sauce. It's pot over here. So far in there, I got brown sugar, pineapple juice, ketchup, soy sauce, low sodium, Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of jerk marinade in there, my homemade pineapple jerk marinade. And I need a little nutmeg, a little ginger, and later on some cornstarch slurry to thicken it down. So I'm going to slowly start cooking this over here. And guys, I'll see you back when I'm done frying chicken, okay? I may come back when I'm really starting on the sauce over there though. Guys, I'm back. I just want to show you my pineapple barbecue sauce. So in here, so far I have 1 cup of ketchup, I have a 1/2 cup of soy sauce, a 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce. I have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I have 1 cup of brown sugar. I have a pinch of cinnamon powder, a pinch of nutmeg. Oh, and I have the main ingredient. I have a cup of pineapple juice. I have some pineapple I'm going to chop in small pieces later and add in there. Jay's not going to like it, but again, that's her business. And so this is what I have cooking right now. I'm getting ready to add a little cornstarch slurry to this also to thicken it up a bit, but I think I'm going to add the chopped pineapples in there first. As you can see, my chicken is still frying. I'll see you guys back in just a bit. Hey guys, welcome back. So here we have it. The chicken, my fried chicken is done. And here is the sauce. I usually, when I make this sauce, I usually like to make a large amount, you know, save some for another day. This is not that large, but I'm going to save a little for a recipe I have coming up this week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just lather this up with the sauce. And as you can see, I do have some pineapple. I did add a half a cup of pineapple chunks to this. I mean, if Jade want to complain, it's easy enough for her to just brush it off, right? Okay, I have my oven on 350. I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make it sticky. Okay. Wow. Ooh. Oh God, I gotta clean this oven. What the heck and who the heck? And I'm gonna go scream. Oh. Oh gosh, I forgot. Sorry. So to go with this, the chicken. Oh, I made some rice and pigeon peas. Oh, that looks so good. And instead of making steamed cabbage, I decided to make a small coleslaw. Grab that. Jade is not a big fan of steamed cabbage, but she'll eat coleslaw. So I decided to use the cabbage and make a small coleslaw instead. So guys, I will see you back in 10 minutes when that chicken is out the oven and I fix myself a small plate because I am hungry and can't wait to dig in. I'll see you soon. So okay guys, so my chicken, the 10 minutes in the oven is up. This thing looks divine. I just texted Jade. I said, you're gonna eat your fingers off. This is the chicken. Make sure you're getting a good view of this. You know what? I'm gonna move the camera. Okay, so just a minute. I'm gonna show you much. Okay, thank you. Now this, I need a lovely picture of this right here because this is gonna make this.